Hey everyone, I hope you all are safe and doing good. So my last video was about RBI internship, and that internship was not for engineering students. So many students who are asking me like we are engineering student or we are first year, second year, third year student or we are graduate student or we are pursuing BCA, BBA, MBA. So suggest some internship for us. So don't worry, in this video I'm going to tell you one internship in which any student can apply, whether you are engineering student, MBA student, or you are doing BBA, BCA, or in any branch or in any year you are, any course you are pursuing, any stream you have, you can apply for this internship. Yes, you heard it right. Almost every student is eligible to apply for this internship. Although there is some eligibility criteria, that also I'll tell you, but almost every student can apply for this internship, and this is free. You don't need to pay anything, or there is no registration fee type of thing. You can apply freely. This is by HPCL, Hindustan Petroleum Corporation Limited. And apart from the summer internship, it is summer internship which you will get in next year, 2025. But apart from summer internship, you will also get a chance to win some cash prize up to rupees 9.75 lakhs. Yes, you heard it right. But how you can apply for this internship? What is the eligibility criteria? How you will get those prizes? Everything we will discuss in this video. Don't worry. But before that, I just want to tell an exciting news for those who want to master data structure and algorithm with Java. See, many of you know that my DSA with Java course is still going on. So if you have been considering my course, then this is the perfect time to enroll in this course because we are running a special coupon gift 15 to give you extra 15% discount. And this is our best coupon yet, and they won't last long, so enroll as soon as possible. What you will get in this course, we are going to cover complete Java first, everything in Java like basics, then oops concept, then lambda expression, then multi-threading, socket programming, networking, file input output, and then we'll go to DSA, basic DSA, advanced DSA, algorithm design technique, and apart from that fundamental concept, we will be discussing projects as well, case studies, everything. So each topic is designed to give you practical experience rather than just the theoretical part, because that is basically the key to master DSA. And apart from this, what is so special about this course, you will get a live Q&A session every week, so you can get your question answered in that Q&A session live while interacting with me. Plus a WhatsApp group, dedicated WhatsApp group. After enrolling, you can join that group or community of the learners and you can ask your doubt there also in that group. And as well as you will get my handwritten notes, detailed notes for every topic, and PPTs also. So you can download those PPTs and notes and PDF of all the programs we will discuss, all the projects and the coding questions, the lead code questions, placement questions asked in top companies. Those things also we have discussed. We'll be discussing. So few things we have already covered. You can go to the website and you can check out what we have covered, some projects, some coding questions, and till basics of Java we have covered. And there is a 7 days refund policy also. So it is a perfect time to invest in yourself and excel in coding, in problem solving, in and in DSA. And don't forget to apply the coupon gift 15. The link you will get in the description box of this video as well as in the pinned comment. You go and check out. So now let me tell you about this internship. HPCL is basically running a competition, Power Lab, HP Power Lab. There you can win cash prizes up to rupees 9.75 lakhs as well as summer internship. Already 78,000 has already registered for this, and you can participate as an individual as well as in a team also. Size is 1 to 4 members. Okay. Deadline is, I think you can apply for this till 11 or 12th of November. I guess till 11. But apply as soon as possible. So if I tell you the details of this competition, then basically you have to submit your ideas for a Viksit Bharat. They are running a competition type of thing. So you have to give some innovative and creative ideas to them, to HPCA, right? Now, there are 5 areas in which you can submit your ideas. These are those areas: technological innovation, energizing rural India, green energy, sustainability, energy equity, and inclusion. About this, you will get in detail what you have to submit and you can download that. Don't worry, I'll tell you that thing also. This is kind of like in final year or third year, you submit project. So they will give you some topic, your faculty, and you have to tell your problem statement, your idea, and have to implement that idea, have to implement that project. So that kind of thing is there. This kind of thing you have to submit, you have to give presentation. That's it. Those who are pursuing engineering or any degree, they know the process of submitting this thing. So there are basically 5 you can say those topics under which you have to submit your ideas, right? Now, eligibility criteria is undergraduate, postgraduate student pursuing a full-time degree are eligible to participate, right? See, engineering students, MBA students, postgraduate, undergraduate, any student can apply for this competition, can apply for the summer internship. Okay. Now, you can participate, you can register as individual or compete in a team of 2 to 4. One person cannot be a part of more than one team. This thing you need to take care. These are some rules to formulate your team. Your team can be like cross college teams are also allowed, cross year teams are also allowed. Means you are in first year, your another team member is second year or third year. That thing is allowed, or from another college, that thing is also allowed. So before forming the team, please read out these guidelines because this is important one. Now, deadline I have told you. Now the rounds. Basically, first round would be online assessment round. So this would be on 12th of November. This one. Each team will face 45 questions. In 30 minutes you have to submit answer of those questions, and the questions would be regarding DI, analytics, verbal ability, quantitative skills, as well as some questions regarding to HPCL, oil and gas industry. So now basically about the recent development in HPCL, about that company. So you have to basically study about HPCL or survey about research about HPCL, what are recent technology they are following or the trends and everything there before going for this online assessment round. That would be better for you. Okay. Now, after the first round, the team's shortlisted team would go to the second round, and that is here you have to submit a summary like 2 slide PowerPoint presentation that outline your solution, right? Means the topic, what you are going to submit, that topic, that problem statement, as well as the solution for that. Only in brief, only in 2 slide PowerPoint presentation. Or you can go for a 2 minute video also, other than PowerPoint presentation. Video would be preferable. If you go for video, that would be preferable. So you can provide there the Google Drive link or the unlisted YouTube video link or WeTransfer link or any other accessible format. In there, you can submit your video. And dedicated webinar would be there for you. Now, after the second round, there would be detailed presentation submission. The process are same as we go for project submission in colleges, right? Then you have to submit a 7 slide PowerPoint presentation. It would be a detailed manner, outlining your solution in detailed manner. After that, the shortlisted team will go to the fourth round, that is virtual semi-finale round. And there you have to present their detailed presentation in front of HPCL jury member. Okay. There would be Q&A session also, and based on that they will finalize some team, and those selected teams in this round will go to the grand finale round. There also you have to present your solution in person to the esteemed jury members, right? And after this round they will evaluate each team solution based on creativity, feasibility, impact. Obviously there would be some criteria, and the top 3 teams will be announced, and they will be given some prizes. Okay. Now the prizes are something like this: winner would get 1.5 lakhs, first runner up 1.25 lakhs, second runner up 1 lakh, and top performing teams of each track will receive 50,000 each person. Now 20 finalists stand a chance to win exclusive summer internship opportunities at HPCL, and participation certificate will be awarded to all the participating teams in round 1. So you will be given, if you participate in round 1, then also you will be given a certificate, don't worry, right? So how you have to submit in that 5 areas that I have shown you. You can download the attachment from here. For that you have to log in first. I have downloaded already. I'll show you this thing. So in that, after downloading, you will get these are the 5 areas. Any area you can just select, and there you will get, see, this is the problem statement. You can just read out how the emerging technology like AI, machine learning, and this can be integrated to enhance operational efficiency in HPCLs. So please read out this, and according to that you have to give your idea, innovative idea, how you can help HPCL, that thing they want. and how you are going to solve your problem, how you are going to implement that idea, that also you have to tell. In slide 1 you have to give a clear overview of the proposed solution, right? In second slide the implementation strategy you have to give, and in a 2, or you can submit this, or second option is you can go for a 2-minute video also. There you have to just present your idea, highlighting its value proposition and potential for transforming HPCL's energy efficiency and operational safety. So, like this, there are 5 areas. You can select any two, up to two. You can go for up to two, and you can submit your problem statement and the solution. But first, just read out this, how you have to, what is the problem statement and what areas, what subsection you have to cover. According to that, please submit your PowerPoint presentation, because this is crucial. If you will be shortlisted in this round, then only you will go for the next round, right? Now, how to register for this? The link I'll give you in the description box of this video, don't worry. And after that, you can just click on register here, and you have to, like, your enter your mail ID, your mobile number, and after that some details, and then you can submit. You can add your team members on the next step. And there is a demo going on. Demo online assessment round is still live. This is just demo. If you wanna go for this, like, this is actual the round 1 online assessment that would be on 12th of November, but this is demo online assessment round. So if you want to check for this, like what type of questions you will get, and you want a demo, you can just go for this. These are the guidelines, and you can read, and you can go for this assessment round. Or this would not be evaluated. This is just for demo, just to give you a feel for the actual online assessment round that would be on 12th of November, right? Start is this and end is on 12th of November. It would be live till 8 hours. Then round 2 would be on 15th of November, and round 3 would be on 12th of December. But they are going to now finalize the date for round 4 and round 5. Okay, they haven't announced the date for round 4 and round 5. So you can check out the link you will get in the description box of this video, the details and everything about this internship. You can go and check out. So now that's it for this video. Now I'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye. Take care.